Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where, for some reason, your TikTok app just isn't opening or loading or working at all. Now, that's going to happen for a lot of different reasons, but typically it comes down to three different reasons, in my opinion. It's either a network issue, a TikTok issue, or basically an app update issue. So, the very first thing we're going to tackle is that network issue. So, basically, what this means is that maybe you're not connected to a reliable network or a good network at all. Basically, if you're not connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection or a strong data connection, then you won't be able to load up TikTok. You'll basically be stuck at that splash screen, or you'll just get an error saying unable to load TikToks or anything like that. So in order to fix this or even see if this is the problem, is to go into any other app, your Safari browser, Instagram, Twitter, any other app, the App Store, for example, and see if you're able to load up any other apps. And hopefully they're connected to the internet. And you can see it's able to load up these things. I'm able to get a strong internet connection. So I know that if I'm having issues with TikTok, it's not a network problem. But if you're loading up these apps and everything, and they're taking a long time, and it's just not loading up at all, then you obviously know at that point that it is a network issue in some form or fashion. So the best thing to do in that case is to go into your Wi-Fi settings or your data connection settings and connect to a better network, connect to a better, stronger network and all that good stuff. And at that point, you should be good to go. And there's really not going to be any problems at that point for your network at least. So the next thing is pretty much a TikTok server issue. So what this means is that sometimes TikTok servers are down, they're updating stuff, and because of that, TikTok may get down, and there's really nothing you can do about it or anybody else. We just have to wait for TikTok to actually come back up and their servers to get up and running. Now, a great way to actually determine if TikTok is actually down or not is to check on Twitter or Instagram or any other social media platforms, or just type in TikTok on Google and see if TikTok is down, is trending, or anything like that. Another way is to look in the comment section of these videos or other videos like this. If somebody else's recommendation, look at the comment section of those videos and sort by the latest comments. I do that all the time. And if TikTok is down, those comments that are, if they're coming at like the next like 10 seconds and minutes from each other, and there's a ton of them saying TikTok is down, then chances are TikTok's probably down and you just have to wait for it. So the last thing, basically, if that's not the issue, is that it's an app update issue. So maybe you're on a super outdated version of TikTok. So in order to fix this, and it's very easy, all you want to do is basically make your way over to your app store. If you're on Android, obviously it's the Google Play Store, and you just want to search for TikTok. So I didn't have to do this. I can't even hop out of it. You just basically have to search for here, click here, and then just type in TikTok or whichever app. Snapchat, has this problem all the time too. And once you search for it, all you have to do is click on the app, and you just want to see if there's an update available. If it says update here or anywhere else, you want to go ahead and click that little update button, and chances are that'll actually end up fixing the issues. Now, if you're still having issues at this point, I would recommend rewatching this video, going through the steps again, and if all else fails, I would recommend deleting TikTok and then reinstalling it, and that'll probably end up fixing the issues as well. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.